Are you struggling with an enlarged prostate? Discover the power of vitamin D in supporting prostate health. Vitamin D has been shown to shrink and repair an enlarged prostate, providing relief and improving overall prostate function. Hear what users have to say about vitamin D for prostate health. Looking for natural remedies? Vitamin D is a powerful herbal supplement for prostate care. Discover the dosage guide for vitamin D and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Support your prostate health with vitamin D and experience the benefits of natural supplements. Take control of your prostate health with vitamin D. Say goodbye to the discomfort of an enlarged prostate. Ready to improve your prostate health? Start incorporating vitamin D into your daily routine today.